Snakes have slithered through history, leaving behind more mysteries than answers. These creatures, feared by many, are full of secrets that most people would never imagine. What if I told you that some can glide through the air like nature's silent acrobats, or that they can sense your presence without seeing you? They've evolved some of the strangest and most unexpected abilities in the animal kingdom. Curious yet? You won't believe the 10 astonishing facts about snakes we're about to reveal, each more mind-boggling than the last. Keep watching, because you'll never look at snakes the same way again. 1. Some snakes can fly. Did you know that some snakes can glide through the air like a living boomerang? Certain species, like the paradise tree snake, are able to launch themselves from trees and fly for short distances. They flatten their bodies and use a unique undulating motion to stay airborne, gliding from one tree to another. This bizarre ability helps them escape predators and move through the dense forests where they live. It's a natural acrobatic show that's both eerie and impressive, leaving many people shocked to learn snakes can move through the sky, too. 2 snakes can go months without eating. Imagine being able to go months without eating a single meal. For snakes, this isn't just possible, it's a survival skill. Some species, like pythons, can survive up to 6 months without food. Their bodies slow down their metabolism dramatically, allowing them to survive during times when prey is scarce. After a large meal, these snakes don't need to eat again for weeks or even months. This ability to conserve energy makes them highly efficient predators, but it's a reminder of just how different their world is from ours. 3. Snakes smell with their tongue. You might think snakes use their nose to smell like most animals, but they actually rely on their tongue. When a snake flicks its tongue in and out, it's gathering scent particles from the air. These particles are then analyzed by an organ on the roof of its mouth called the Jacobson's organ. This unique sensory system helps snakes track prey, detect predators, and even navigate their environment. It's like having a built-in radar system that works without seeing or hearing, just one of the many strange talents that makes snakes so fascinating. 4. Some snakes can sense heat without seeing. Snakes have a special sense that humans could only dream of: heat vision. Certain species, like pythons, boas, and pit vipers, have heat-sensing pits located near their mouths. These pits allow them to detect the body heat of warm-blooded animals, even in complete darkness. They can see the heat signature of their prey and strike with incredible accuracy, even if they can't see the animal with their eyes. This sixth sense gives them a major advantage as hunters, turning them into efficient nighttime predators. 5. Snakes have no eyelids. Unlike most animals, snakes don't have eyelids. Instead, they have a transparent scale called a spectacle, covering their eyes. This spectacle acts like a permanent lens that protects their eyes while they hunt, rest, and move through rough terrain. Since they can't blink, their eyes are always open, giving them that intense, unblinking stare that often creeps people out. When they shed their skin, the old spectacle peels away with it, revealing a fresh, clear one underneath. 6. The longest snake is over 30 feet long. The reticulated python holds the title for the longest snake in the world, with some individuals reaching over 30 feet in length. That's longer than a school bus. Despite their massive size, these snakes are stealthy hunters, capable of ambushing prey and squeezing them to death with their powerful muscles. Though they usually hunt small animals, large reticulated pythons have been known to take down much bigger prey, even deer. Their size is both awe-inspiring and a little terrifying, making them one of the most impressive predators on the planet. 7. There are snakes with 2 heads. Yes, you heard that right, some snakes are born with 2 heads. This rare condition, called polycephaly, happens when the embryo doesn't split properly during development, resulting in 2 heads sharing one body. Though they usually don't live long in the wild, 2-headed snakes are capable of survival and even hunting. Each head can think independently, which leads to some strange situations, like both heads fighting over food. While it's rare, this odd phenomenon has been documented multiple times and continues to fascinate scientists and snake enthusiasts alike. 8. Not all snakes lay eggs. Many people think all snakes lay eggs, but that's not true. While most snakes do lay eggs, some species, like the boa constrictor and certain types of vipers, give birth to live young. The eggs develop inside the mother's body, and the babies are born fully formed and ready to slither away. This is an evolutionary adaptation that helps snakes living in colder climates, where it's harder to keep eggs warm outside the body. It's just another way snakes have evolved to survive in all kinds of environments. 9. Some snake venom can be used as medicine. It may sound strange, but the venom that makes some snakes so dangerous can also save lives. Scientists have discovered that certain snake venoms contain proteins that can help treat a variety of medical conditions, including blood clots, high blood pressure, and even cancer. For example, the venom of the Malayan pit viper is used to create a drug that helps dissolve blood clots in stroke patients. What's deadly in one context can be life-saving in another, proving that snakes are far more than just dangerous predators. 10. The fastest snake can strike at 12 mph. The black mamba, one of the deadliest snakes in the world, is also the fastest. It can move at speeds of up to 12 miles per hour, but it's not just its speed that's terrifying. The black mamba can strike in the blink of an eye, delivering a bite filled with enough venom to kill a human in just a few hours. Fortunately, these snakes are usually shy and avoid humans whenever possible. But if threatened, their speed and accuracy make them one of the most formidable creatures on the planet. Snakes are truly remarkable creatures, full of surprises and unique abilities that make them some of the most fascinating animals on Earth. From gliding through the air to surviving months without food, they've mastered survival in ways that still leave us in awe. If you found these facts as mind-blowing as we did, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.